So it's no walk in the park for either of the two sides. The header, Mateo, he's put it in the net. He had a shot just a few minutes ago, and now he angled himself very well to put it in the net. Well, not even Bolivar Lodge would have seen that one. Well, Alias Nabondo just takes it onto the side. Karim drops it into the area. The header by Olunga is in the net. Well, he just glances the ball away from the defenders. And Nasur Abdullah Nasur doesn't know exactly how that happened so quickly. And Olunga's second goal in the tournament. But evades everybody else for a high ball from Karim Zigib. Well. A big throw in coming from Agwanda, and Olunga has put it in the net again. Oh, the youngster takes over as the leading scorer at the Sekafa Kagame Cup and lights up another celebration here at the National Stadium. Just a quick throw in coming from Agwanda, and a lack of concentration from the defenders. And Michael Olunga is on target for the second time in one match. You can read the lips asking Imekuaje, what happened? There is a throw-in, the defenders are running for it, but that header is intercepted by Olunga. Second touch.